Hey everybody, getting our educational video out for today. Changed my mind earlier from what I wanted to talk about. What I want to talk about today was actually what's called referral pain for a lot of problems, especially in the cervical spine, the thoracic spine, or even the low back. What happens is when there's injuries to the disc or the joint, they actually follow what's called a referral pattern. It's a fancy word called sclerotomes for people out there that want to be nerdy and do some research on it. But basically what it means is it refers some pain. So you have your spinal cord and everything is developed, especially when you're in the embryo, you develop different areas. And what happens is each level of these nerves controls different areas of your body. So a lot of people end up getting pain in an area where they never actually had a trauma or injury, and they can't really get that figured out. And a lot of the doctors end up going to that area of pain and not really figuring out what's going to happen. So we want to talk a little bit more about what's going on with that. So we're going to do some pointing over on our muscle man chart. So one thing that happens is a lot of people, especially when they're having a neck problem, they might not actually get neck pain in itself. They actually get a lot of pain down through here, in through the shoulder blade, out through here, and even through the middle part of the back here. What's actually going on is it's an underlying injury to the neck itself, especially the disc. And that's where those sclerotomes come in. So a lot of times you get this referral pain down through here. And a lot of people will say it's like a burning, sharp, stabbing kind of feel. So people inherently think if it's hurting there, it must be the problem. But a lot of times it's referral and that area is just getting inflamed because something else isn't working correctly. So a lot of people get in there with a lacrosse ball, they stretch it, they get a deep tissue massage, or they try to do a lot of exercise on it. The problem is it's coming from somewhere higher up. So this gets into the whole idea of the importance of a proper diagnosis. This happens with a doctor that can be thorough, take a proper history, and do an exam on you and really understand, is this a local problem or is it coming from somewhere else? The attention is in the details, and usually a doctor that is good is going to be able to figure that out. So if you're dealing with a pain through here without any real trauma, it might be time to figure out if it's coming from somewhere else, and a lot of time that's your neck. So share this video with anyone else that's been experiencing this problem, or if you're having any problems, please feel free to send us a message and we'll answer your question. Hope everyone's having a great day. We'll see you guys later.